Good morning, students. Till now we have seen the derivatives of function in the form of f of x to the power n or n to the power f of x, where f of x is a function of x and n is any constant. Now we'll see the derivatives of function in the form of f of x to the power g of x. Okay, function is in the form of f of x to the power g of x, where both f of x and g of x are functions of x. Then have to differentiate. Okay, suppose y is given sin x to the power cos x. Now both sin x and cos x are functions of x. Then how to differentiate this function? Okay, so any function is in this form. Okay, and if you want to find its derivative, we have to use log. Okay, so we will take log to both sides, taking log on both sides. Then we get log of y is equal to log of sin x to the power cos x. Okay, then log of y is equal to property of log m to the power n is n log m. Okay, log of m to the power n is n into log m. So this we can write cos x into log of sin x. It is your m, it is your n, so n log m. So we get log of y equal to cos x into log of sin x. Okay, now we'll differentiate both sides. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then here we get derivative of log y is equal to derivative of cos x into log of sin x. Okay, now derivative of log y. So it is in the form of log x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x, means 1 by y. But it is not actually x. So again we will differentiate y. So we get dy by dx. Okay. Then here we have two functions, cos x and log of sin x. So to apply product rule, so cos x first function as it is into derivative of log of sin x. Log of sin x, its derivative, I am writing directly here. Log of sin x, log x, it is in the form of log x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x, means 1 by sin x. But actually it is not x. So again we differentiate sin x. So its derivative cos x. So derivative of logs of sin x is 1 by sin x into cos x. Now plus log of sin x as it is, second function as it is, into derivative of first function, derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. Okay, so now it is equal to dy by dx is equal to y, you can set aside y into cos of sin x, you can write cot x into cos x as it is, and here minus sin x into log of sin x. Check. So your dy by dx is equal to value of y that we can again put here, that is sin x to the power cos x into cot x cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. So this is the derivative of sin x to the power cos x. Okay, so in this function we used log. To find its derivative we have to use log. That's why this differentiation is called logarithmic differentiation. What is called logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so this is applicable when your function is in the form of f of x to the power g of x. When both base and power both are functions of x, then we have to use log to find its derivative. Okay, we will see some more question. First you can note down suppose we want to find derivative of log x to the power sin x. So again here both base and power, both are functions of x. So to find its derivative, first we take log. Taking log on both sides, we get log of y is equal to log of log x to the power sin x. Log of log x to the power sin x. So it is equal to log y equal to, now log of m to the power n is n log m. So n sin x into log of log x. Okay. Now we'll differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then we get derivative of log y. 1 by y, derivative log x is 1 by x, but it is not x, so again differentiate y, so dy by dx. Now applying product rule, sin x first function as it is, derivative of log x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x and x is log x. So sin x upon log x into, again it is not x actually, so again differentiate log x, so you get 1 by x plus, now second function as it is, log of log x as it is, and derivative of sin x which is cos x. Check. So we get dy by dx is equal to y into, it is sin x upon x log x plus cos x into log of log x. And here you can put value of y, that is log x to the power sin x into sin x upon x log x plus cos x into log of log x. So this is derivative of log x to the power sin x. Always when your base and power both are functions of x, apply log. Take log both sides, then only differentiate. Don't apply formula of x to the power n. Its derivative, we cannot write sin x into log x to the power sin x minus 1 and into derivative of log x 1 by x. It is wrong. Always when base and power both are functions of x, first take log, then apply property of log and then differentiate. Check it? Please note down this. Now let's see one more question. Y equal to x sin x to the power 1 by x. We need dy by dx. So again here we have base and powers, both are in terms of x. So first we will take log. So taking log on both sides, we get log of y equal to log of x sin x to the power 1 by x. Now applying property of log, we get 1 by x into log of x sin x. This is our log y. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Now here we have two functions, 1 by x and log of x sin x. So apply product rule, 1 by x as it is into derivative of log of x sin x. So derivative of log x will be 1 by x, means x sin x is our x, but it is not actually x. So again you differentiate. So its derivative will be in product of this function. And again there are two functions. So apply product rule, x as it is, derivative of sine cos plus sine as it is, derivative of x 1. So this is the first function as it is, and derivative of second function is this, plus log of x sin x as it is, and derivative 1 by x. 1 by x we can write x to the power minus 1. So it is in the form of x to the power n. So when we apply derivative of x to the power n, we get minus 1 into x to the power minus 1 means minus 2. That can be written minus 1 upon x square. So derivative 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So it is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, if you simplify this, है ना, 1 by x square, and if you multiply sin x here, so you get x upon x into cos upon sin, that is cot x plus sin upon sin 1 plus minus minus 1 by x square into log of x sin x. ठीक है, so here dy by dx is equal to y, and 1 by x square take common, then you get x cot x plus 1 minus log of x sin x, and value of y is x sin x to the power 1 by x upon x square into x cot x plus 1 minus log of x sin x. ठीक है, so this is the derivative of x sin x to the power 1 by x. Okay, we want to find derivative of log x power x plus x to the power log x. Y is given log x to the power x plus x to the power log x, and we need dy by dx. ठीक है, now in this case, in the right side we have base and powers, are functions of x, but here we have two terms. So when y is in two terms and we have base power both are in terms of xy, then we cannot take log directly. If you take log, then we get log of y equal to log of this and log of m plus n. We don't have any property for this. Log of m plus n will remain log of m plus n only. So there will be problem to differentiate. So in this case, we'll assume, suppose log x to the power x is u, okay, and x to the power log x is v. Then our given y now becomes y is equal to u plus v. Then we're differentiating both sides, we get du by dx plus du by dx. ठीक है, so dy by dx is du by dx plus du by dx. So to find value of dy by dx, now we need du by dx and du by dx. ठीक है, so we'll find these values that will give you value of dy by dx. So how to find value of du by dx? Now what we have, u equal to log x to the power x. ठीक है, and this is in the previous case you have seen log x to the power x. How to find its derivative? Now only single term we have that we can find easily, that you can simplify. So taking log on both sides, we get log of u is equal to log of log x to the power x. ठीक है बेटा, one thing remember, when you are given y is in two terms, ठीक है, and in any one or in both base and powers both are functions of x, then first suppose that two terms, any other two variable uv, pq, and then find their derivatives separately, derivative of uv separately. ठीक है, so now when we take log we get this thing. Now property of log if apply, log u as it is, then here we get x into log of log x. Now differentiating, we get 1 by u, derivative of log u will be 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, here there are two functions x and log of log x, so apply product rule. So x as it is, derivative of log x, so it is in the form of log x, so derivative of log of x will be 1 by x and x is log x, so 1 by log x. Then it is not actually x, So again differentiate log x, it will give you 1 by x. So second function derivative over here. Now plus second function log of log x as it is into derivative of first function means x, that is 1. Okay, so your x cancel out. Then du by dx is equal to u into 1 upon log x plus log of log x, and value of u is log x to the power x into 1 upon log x plus log of log x. This is derivative of u, du by dx. Okay, suppose it is equation 2. Now we need value of du by dx. So we have v equal to x to the power log x. Again, base powers both are functions of x, so we have to take log. To get log of v is equal to log of x to the power log x, and by applying property of log, we'll get log v is equal to log x into log x. Okay, now differentiating, one option you can write this log x square, or just you can write as it is. It is derivative 1 by v into du by dx. Now log x as it is, its derivative 1 by x plus this as it is, and its derivative 1 by x, so we get 1 by x into log x. Okay, so it is equal to du by dx. Same thing is there, so 2 log x upon x, and this will come here, and v is x to the power log x into 2 log x upon x. This is the derivative of v. So this is suppose third equation. Now from second, third, value of du by dx and du by dx we will put in first equation. So we get from first, second, third, dy by dx from 1, 2 and 3. dy by dx will be value of dy by dx, that is log x to power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. Here value of dy by dx plus dy by dx, that is 2 log x into x to the power log x upon x. Okay, or it can be written x to the power log x minus 1. Base are same, so the powers can be subtracted. So it can be written x to the power log x minus 1. Or if write like this, then also the power 1. So this is derivative of y. Okay, so be careful. Many students make this mistake. When question is like this, they just take log both sides and then differentiate. So it is wrong. First, you have to assume these terms as some other function, other variable u, v, p, q, and then find their derivatives with respect to x, and that will give you value of dy by dx. Okay, so when y is in 2 terms, 3 terms, and in any one term or in all the terms, both base and powers are in terms of x. First, separate. You have to assume that terms can assume p, q, r, and then find their derivative separately, and then we can find value of dy by dx. Okay, be careful. These questions are very, very important. One question can be in your exam. Okay, clear? If you have doubt, you can ask. Now, y is given root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, and need dy by dx. So in this question, if we write this right side, its power will be half, and half is not function of x, it is constant. Okay, but then also we can use log. If your function is very complicated or it is having only product of expressions, here we only product x minus 1 and x minus 2 are multiplying. here in the denominator x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 multiplying. Okay, so in this type of questions also we can use log when the given function is product of expressions and it is very complicated. Directly if we differentiate, it is difficult to differentiate. Then we can use also log. So using log, what will happen? Taking log on both sides, we get log of y equal to log of this, means x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5, and its power half. Now square root can be done, its power half. Now applying property of log, log of m to the power n will be n into log of m, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, again applying here property of log, log of m upon n will be log of m, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log of n, that is x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, property of log, log m minus log m minus log n. Now again log of m into n, we can apply property here, so it can be done log of m plus log of n. Okay, then log of m into n into p, so it will be minus of log of m x minus 3 plus, but here due to this minus we get minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Okay, now if we differentiate, then we get derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to half derivative of log of x minus 1. So it's derivative 1 by x, that is 1 by x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1 will be 1 plus derivative log of x minus 2 is 1 upon x minus 2 and its derivative 1 only, minus log of x minus 3, its derivative 1 upon x minus 3 into its derivative 1 minus log of x minus 4 will give derivative 1 by x minus 4 into its derivative 1 minus derivative of log of x minus 5 is 1 upon x minus 5 into its derivative 1. So it is equal to dy by dx is equal to y by 2, and y is root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 multiply by 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. So this is the derivative of this function. Because when your function is very complicated and it is product of expressions only, then we can apply log. Okay, there should not be any addition and subtraction. Here it is multiplication only. So in this case we can use log. Okay. Now let's see one new question. X to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1, and we need dy by dx. Okay. So now in this expression, in this question, what happens? In the left side we have two terms and both are in the form of p to the power q, where p and q are functions of x, y, x to the power y plus y to the power x. So directly log we cannot take. Okay. So first what we'll do, suppose p is x to the power y and q is y to the power x. If we assume x to the power y is p and y to the power x is q, p, q, u, v, you can take any variable, no problem. So now your question becomes p plus q equal to 1. If we differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you get dp by dx plus dq by dx, and it is 0. ठीक है, so we need value of dp by dx and dq by dx, and from that we can find value of dy by dx. So now we will find dp by dx. So p is x to the power y, and how to differentiate this we know. So taking log on both sides, we get log of p is equal to log of x to the power y. So it is log of p equal to, applying property of log, we get y log x. Then differentiating with respect to x, then what we get, derivative of log p is 1 by p into derivative of dp by dx, है ना. Derivative of p with respect to x is equal to y as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus log x as it is, derivative of y, it will be dy by dx. So dp by dx is p, है ना. p means x to the power y into y upon x plus log x into dy by dx. So this is the value of dp by dx. In the same way we will find value of dq by dx. Now your q is y to the power x. Taking log on both sides, we get log of q equal to x log y, applying property also. Then differentiating, we get 1 by q into dq by dx is equal to x as it is, derivative of log y is 1 by y, and y again differentiate, then dy by dx, plus log y as it is, and derivative of x will be 1. So your dq by dx is equal to q, means y to the power x into x upon y dy by dx plus log y. This is the value of dq by dx. Now this values of dp by dx and dq by dx we put in this first equation. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we get, dp by dx, it is x to the power y into y upon x plus log x into dy by dx, plus dq by dx, which is y to the power x into x upon y dy by dx plus log y is equal to 0. Okay, so now from this, collect all the terms which contain dy by dx one side and the other terms other side. So here we get x to the power y log x into dy by dx. This into this, plus y to the power x into x upon y dy by dx. ठीक है, is equal to what you can send, x to y upon into y upon x. You can send that side, xy into y upon x. So it will come here then minus sign. The same thing here, y to the power x into log y. ठीक है. Now this dy by dx will take common. So you get xy, x to the power y log x plus y to the power x into x upon y, and dy by dx taken common is equal to minus of, it can be written x to the power y minus 1, the base is same, xx, same thing is also we can written, right, y to the power x minus 1 into x, है ना. So now your dy by dx is equal to minus of x to the power y minus 1 into y minus y to the power x into log y divided by this term x to the power y log x plus y to the power x minus 1 into x. From this minus we take common. If we take minus common, then this term will be positive. So this is derivative of y, dy by dx. So when we want to find dy by dx, one equation form is given, okay? And in that again, if there are more than one term in one side, in any side, more than one terms are there, and any one term is in the form of p to the power q, where p and q are in terms of xy or in terms of x only, then again assume them any other variable pq or uv, find the derivatives, and then we can find dy by dx. But these questions are very important questions. One question can be in your exam. Okay?